All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Toyota Corolla. It is the S model, beautiful white with the black leather interior. It's actually two-toned, so it's leather with like cloth-like interior. Premium sound system, stereo controls, fog lights. 48,000 miles in this vehicle. Your front bumper looks pretty decent. Your front hood does have some road chips. It can be seen. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8, 9 over here. All right. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire third back here. Here is under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, a little dingy, probably from opening the doors. Got a heavy scratch here, about an inch. Another one here, about an inch. A little ding there. It's on the rear door. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap and tire thread. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. All right, got your shit there. Got your backup camera. Let me get my foot around. Got your backup camera. Pow. AC controls right down below. All right, and this is what your instrument console looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage of 48,853. Turn on the lights. Turn on the fog lights. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Pow. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty decent. Your rear deck lid with a wing looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and there's owner's manuals. The rear bumper here does have a heavy scratch, about 5 inches. It's got a dent here from here on the quarter, paint off 3, 6, about 7 inches, and a scuffing about 7 inches as well on the door itself. You got a dent here with some paint off, about 4 inches right here on the front door, about 3 inches on the front door there. All right. Here's your rear, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. The entire thread is over 430 seconds, under 7. On this door, we have a dent, 3, 6, about 6 inches right here. And on the fender, there's a dent, 10 or more inches, as you can see there. And on the front bumper here, we got a heavy scratch, about 6 inches as well. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. Oops. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. That pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Car looks good. Folks, once again, a 16 Toyota Corolla S model with 48,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.